gather in and let's all give Darren a big old group hug for winning us this permit and inviting all of us to go. Yeah.
Don't squeeze me too hard. Get chilly.
So that's cold beer. Oops.
I'm not gonna lie, I had some challenging times where it was do everything you can to not scream, you know, some frustration.
It was a cold one last night. The dishwater is frozen.
You get back in the boat, you start listening to everybody talking and their positive energy, and it's contagious.
We have a stellar group. Our group is awesome. I feel so lucky to be here with such an amazing crew of people.
A couple times the kitchen was full of people trying to help that some needed to just leave.
It's always kind of a, like you never know what you're gonna get as far as group dynamics go with all these different personalities.
We both know I'm not what you need.
Oftentimes people don't know each other, and so it could go either way. It could be really great, it could be a lot of drama, like you just sometimes never know what you're gonna get.
You're not. We'll always love you. Thank you, Gary. Thank you. We'll always love you. Yes, you said that already, but thank you.
Oh my gosh. There's some full moons over there right now. I lost my train of thought somehow. Anyway, good job, boys. We have a really, man, our crew is awesome. We have a really great crew, and everyone is really experienced in the outdoors in one capacity or another. So everyone brings something to the table, and it's just been pretty amazing to see how we've come together and bonded as a group.
You know, to be in such a beautiful place and with a great group of people I feel extremely fortunate.
I don't want to say we got lucky. I think it was you know, almost by design, but everyone here they bring something else to the table.
To be out here for such a long journey and see no one and know that you have to rely on the people in your team, like there's something about that. There's something about that experience and that bond that you form with people that is really special to me.
With the group we have, I'm definitely feeling the confidence a little bit better, and feeling like if I do make that mistake, there's some great people around to help clean up the carnage.
We have good rowers and a good crew, so if somebody does flip, I know everybody will be on it right away and get people out of the water and get boats turned back over.
I feel like everyone's coming from a different background with rafting or paddling or being around water. Huge variety of demographics with ages and experience and region they grew up in, which is awesome. I think that brings a really cool element to a trip.
The conversations around the campfire and how everybody is working together as a team to make everybody's life easier and more fun down here.
Daylight come and me one go home.
It's pretty cool.